One of the oldest biscuit manufacturing companies has made a mark not only in India but also worldwide. From our grandparents to our generation, everyone is familiar with this biscuit, known for its sweet taste and its affinity to accompany a cup of tea, enjoyed globally. Parle began its journey as a small sweets factory in Villa Parle, Mumbai. Today, it has grown into a company generating crores in revenue, boasting a market value of 7 crore rupees as of 2023. But what paved the way for Parle to establish its enduring legacy? How did a local company achieve global fame? If you're curious, this video is for you. Hello and welcome to yet another informative video of Business Apac. In this video, we are going to tell you about the secret success strategy of Parle. So take your load off, grab a cup of tea, and dunk a Parle. Parle was established in 1929 in Villa Parle, Mumbai, originally as a sweets manufacturer. It ventured into biscuit production in 1939. In 1947, following India's independence, the company launched an advertising campaign, presenting its brand as an alternative to British-branded biscuits, positioning itself as the choice for gluco biscuits. Did you know that until the 1980s, it bore the name Parle Gluco Biscuit, with the G signifying glucose? Parle emerged in response to the rising demand for economical and nutritious biscuits in India. It stood as a locally produced, budget-friendly brand accessible to all. Parle ranks among the world's largest selling biscuit brands, offering a diverse portfolio of over 150 products. Noteworthy among these are the iconic Parle 2020, Crack Jack, Monaco, Magix, Fab, Marie, Milano, and Milk Shakti biscuits. In addition to its biscuits, Parle boasts an extensive range of sweets, including Melody, 2-in-1 eclairs, Kacha Mango Bite, Cappuccino, London Dairy, Kiss Me, Poppins, and more. Furthermore, Parle produces a variety of snacks known for their delightful flavors and budget-friendly prices, such as Mexitos, Full Toss, Parles, and Chatkins. Parle employs a cost-effective strategy to maintain its standing as one of India's leading biscuit-selling companies. This strategy involves offering low-priced items while producing them in large quantities, thereby bolstering their business. The company places a significant emphasis on product quality, aiming to both expand its customer base and retain its loyal clientele. Remarkably, Parle has steadfastly adhered to its pricing strategy throughout the ups and downs of recent years. Surprising, isn't it? Parle products are readily available, not only in India but also in foreign countries, thanks to their extensive distribution system. The company operates more than 23 manufacturing units, collaborates with over 1,500 wholesalers throughout India, and maintains a network of 6 million retailers, ensuring the accessibility of their products to all consumers. To maximize profits, the company directly sells its products to retailers, which also allows for competitive pricing, ultimately benefiting customers. Parle employs village distributors to reach consumers in rural areas and partners with modern retail stores to attract urban customers. Its primary focus is on rural markets, as well as global expansion. Parle employs various forms of media to promote its products, primarily relying on TV, newspapers, and online advertisements. Television commercials are often characterized by a sense of nostalgia and uniqueness, catering to customers of all age groups while maintaining their interest. Strategic product packaging has also left a lasting impression on the minds of customers. In addition to this, Parle incorporates compelling taglines in its advertisements, which predominantly evoke emotions. For instance, Melody Itni Chocolati Kyun Hai? The company has structured its marketing strategy around 3 key pillars: sponsorship and collaboration, brand ambassadors, and advertising campaigns. Parle has sponsored shows such as Shaktiman and Chota Bheem to appeal to the target audience interested in the brand. The primary objective was to establish common ground. Brand ambassadors have played a significant role in their advertising campaigns. Notable examples include Twinkle Khanna for Milano, Hrithik Roshan for Hide and Seek, and Aamir Khan for Monaco. Parle has consistently delivered successful advertising campaigns over the years, including the Swad Bhare campaign in 1982, G Mane Genius campaign in 2004, and the Roko Mat Toko Mat campaign in 2014, among others. In conclusion, Parle ensures it connects with its audience through various means. It has taken measures to ensure that every Indian is familiar with its brand, and this beloved Desi biscuit is enjoyed by people not only across India but also by enthusiastic foreigners. We hope that you found this video to be informative. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Business Apac.